times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true. When love is true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, oh no hate.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases. Yeah, Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you but still love them. Cause the good book talk 70 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do.
What's good, everyone? Zoom, can you guys hear me? me a second here, guys. So on the 1 hour, we could not break that low. That is not good for the sellers. They're rejecting this 4 hour demand area. Not break that low. Hi Kendrick, how you doing? We didn't quite get to the second 1 hour demand, but we got to this right here. This 1 hour demand. And that one right below it as well. And you also got a 4 hour demand there, but we're gonna use these two 1 hour demands. And like I said, looking at the 1 hour, this minor range low here. You look at the 1 hour, we did not close below it, so we grabbed it. So we could see this going all the way back up. Are we going to break above this 1 hour 1 hour major range high here? We will see. But with this liquidity grab here, I will expect it to break. And we'll see how we react at this one here. This time around, use the resistance here. Now we didn't take anything during Asia, Pablo, but I don't know if you were here during. I remember if you were here during Asia. I talked about price getting back to this 15-minute supply right here during Asia. Mentioned that that is where I am looking for price to get to so we can sell, but it never happened. However, around 12 a.m. my time, right? Um, I took a sell around here. I didn't get a full TP though, but I got 1 to 1. I didn't even see all this because I was asleep. I had stop loss somewhere around here. Um, so I'm hoping like some of you were able to take it. If you trade London session, you could have taken this move here because I did mention the supply during Asia. Yeah, so but Asia, we didn't take anything. We just didn't have a setup. But today, as of right now, I am not looking for sales right now. Like I said, this 1 hour support right here, price failed to close above below it on the 1 hour, even the 30 minute. This is not a clean closure. 15 as well, even 5 minute as well. This is not a clean closure below that low. So the fact that we have a liquidity grab below this low on the 1 hour, and we are still bullish overall on the higher time frame, even though we're in this crazy range since Monday. I am expecting to see this 1 hour range high get taken out, but I could be wrong. So we will see, depending on how we react here. I might sell this. Oh, you took this sell 2 hours ago plus 200 pips. Nice, 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 nice. I only had 150 ticks stop loss, and first 1 to 1 was 150. Wait, did I have 150 or 200? I think I had 150. Yeah, 150. Hey, Joey. Hey, PRFX, how you been? It's been a while. What's good, Jatui? What's good, X? And this has been one crazy range since Monday. Since Monday. Monday. This week. Yeah, Monday, January 12th. Like, man, who knows? Maybe we'll get a breakout somewhere. It break the highs or we break the lows. As of right now, for me to buy this, it is gonna have to come all the way back down to this demand at least, and then I'll take buys because right now this low has not taken out any highs, and we don't really have a 15-minute demand. Worst case, price could decide to react at this 15-minute demand here, and then we continue higher. But I'm not going to take this demand, take buys from this demand. That is not a good setup for me. Regardless, because this low right here, you still have a BOS. However, the BOS is just not strong enough on the 15, on the 30, on the 5. It's just not strong enough, but it's still there. So price could reject, right, from either this 15-minute supply or this 30-minute supply right here. This 30-minute supply right here, price could reject from there. Yeah, at least this 30-minute supply. And if we do reject, I'm just gonna sit, wait patiently for price to come back to this 1 hour demand, and I'll look to take my buys. We are pretty much reacting to it right now. So we'll see what happens. Just now, I am looking for buys, not sells, based on what happened at this low right here on the 1 hour time frame. Well, see if we can get a buy set up today. I wonder, Pi, if you're here, were you able to take that sell as well? Yeah, oh yeah, he's here. Oh, what's your name on Discord, Jack? Let's see. Let me see if you're in the mentorship. Um, uh, oh yeah, you're there. You're in the mentorship. You're in the Discord. You're in the private Discord. So, in the private Discord, you see it is the DTL mentorship. And then when you scroll down, you see the trading links server. Excuse me. You see the trading links server. That's what you click on, and then the Zoom link is there. All right. The Zoom link is there. You have access. I see your name here. I see your name, Jack83. So, trading links server, that's where the Zoom link is. Just ran a 6 kilometer interval session with the dog and followed it up with a full body workout at the outdoor gym, feeling strong. Let's get it. Nice one, Jatui. I think this week so far, I've taken 2 trades on my own so far. The trade setup just happened so late. And that's pretty much the Asia session. Mm. Um, see what gold does today. If we're gonna get good volume. You're in sales, Jaturi? All right, okay. I'm not selling right now until we react to that 15-minute resistance at least. To react to that 15-minute resistance, or we get back to this 15-minute supply, right? We get back up to that 15-minute supply, get back up there, price does this, price going back up, then I will sell. Because remember, I mentioned that we did not have a break of structure here on the 1 hour time frame, and we did not close strongly below it. So that is why I'm expecting price to break this high right here, and worst case we reject this 15-minute resistance instead. So, but if we react to this 15-minute supply and we get something like this, then I will consider selling. But as of right now, I am interested in buying this because of the lack of breaker structure at the lows. We are rejecting a 15-30 minute supply here, so we'll come down and we'll see how we react at this demand. We'll look at taking buys. I'll be right back. You said fake out buys. You see him waiting for price to come back down to this 1 hour demand at least. Hopefully next week we have better volume. And sometime next week we break out of this crazy range. Ah, all right, Goldie. Gold does not want to pull back to this demand I see. We technically still reacted to this 15-minute demand right here. Just not interested in taking buys from there. Because we're so close to these highs and close to these highs right here. So I'd rather just stay away and just wait for the best setup, which is for price to come back to this 1 hour demand. If it does, fine. If it does not, then we don't have a setup. You took quick buys and got out. Okay. I know that's how you like to trade. You get in and you get out. Nothing wrong with that. Short NQ. Oh, I don't trade NQ. So Monday is bank holiday here, guys. It's Martin Luther King's day, so I won't be here during New York session. But I think probably we'll trade Asia session on Monday night. But I won't be trading New York session on Monday. So YouTube, you guys won't see me until Tuesday next week because of the bank holiday on Monday. NY open, we could have just continued pushing down here and push back up from this demand. But they don't want to do that. You trailing stops? You took buys? I thought you took sells. Uh, you glad you didn't say in buys? Buying from right here is very risky. We could go up from here, but it's just risky to buy from here. We are still reacting to that 30 minutes up. Why though? We are still reacting to it. If we broke this low right here, if we broke this low right here strongly, then this would be the supply I'll be looking at to take the sell continuation. But the lack of BOS on the 1 hour below that low, that's why I'm staying away from sales right now. Staying away from sales until we at least get back up here. At least. And then we come down here and we look to take buys. Where did we take the buys yesterday? Was it right here? Yeah, right here. Damn, how do I send this stuff to Jack? He's in the private mentorship. And he's in the trade. He's in the trading league server. How is he not seeing it? How is he not seeing it? Um. So, Jack, if you're still watching on YouTube, I'm going to DM you the Zoom link. But all you have to do is when you look to the left, that's where all the servers are, and you'll see Trading Link server. That's where it's at. Okay, that's where it's at. But I'm about to see if it's going to send it. All right, Jack, I just sent you the Zoom link. But you have access. I'm looking at your name. I don't understand how you can't say it. Oh, okay, okay. It's probably because you're not verified. All right, you just verified yourself now. Okay, okay. Damn, I forgot that could be an issue. Yeah, it's because you're not verified, so you should be able to see it now. And I sent it to you as well. If you're still watching on YouTube, gotta keep the scammers away from our Discord. Not even sure if that keeps them away, but at least it minimizes it. Hey, what's good, Tony? You're welcome, Jack. Yeah, I completely forgot about the verification as well. I've been good. What about you, Tony? Happy New Year's to you. Mhm. You just gotta look at the overall picture, man. Just look at this. Just 15 sellers here, and this should continue higher. But I am still paying attention to this supply right here as well. See how we're going to react at this 15-minute supply. I'm not interested in taking it from this 15-minute supply. However, if price decides that she wants to fall from here, then like I said earlier, I need to see this, bam, and then I'll take this leg down here. That's the only way I'm going to take sales, even though I do not see gold falling from this 15-minute supply. I would rather sell from this 15-minute resistance. That is pretty much range trading. And also a quick explanation here. Origination of the move started from 46.30, right? This 15-minute supply or this high at 46.25 has a BOS, minor breakup structure, right? Now, this supply right here, this high slash supply has what? Has the lower time frame breakup structure right here on the 30, 15, 5. However, it does not have it on the 1 hour time frame. And 1 hour time frame is also the higher time frame, and we are still bullish overall. So for that reason, go back to the 15-minute time frame here. This supply right here is not strong enough. Now, this 15-minute supply, on the other hand, it is strong enough. And of course, this resistance as well is strong enough. So that is why I'm pretty much scratching this high right here for me to even look at sales. However, this high or this 15-minute supply here, I will consider it, but it's going to be, for my entry setup, it's going to be different. But if we reject on at this resistance, I'll be 100% willing to sell from there. So quick explanation, very simple explanation right there. Very simple, no name calling, nothing. High, lows, resistance, support, supply, demand. That's all you need to know. You thought I might hit them with a little turtle soup? uh, damn. Maybe when I go to the restaurant today, I'll ask them for a turtle soup. Turning, make it a pepper soup for me, so make it very spicy. And speaking of pepper soup, I have not had that thing in a while. Ish. Talking about it now, I want some. I want some goat pepper soup. I want the type of pepper soup where when you freaking eating it, you take your shirt off and everything. That's how spicy I want it to be. Like I'm sweating profusely. That's the type of pepper soup I'm looking for. Clean out all my system. Give me a good detox. Oh, a goosey soup. All right, I see you in the Zoom, Jack. Welcome. The way good has been moving this month, if you're not careful, man, if you're not careful, some of you're probably not having a good month so far. Oh, you're from Canada, Jack. Nice. East Coast. Really, Pi? Why did you say sorry to hear that? Yeah. Mm. I sent Wal a message yesterday. He hasn't replied. I I used to have his number, but I don't have it anymore. I would have called him. Probably. Now maybe he's on vacation. Yeah. He was not expecting that demand to hold, otherwise would have taken the buyers. Which demand, Nicholas? Are you talking about this one or the 1 hour demand? Oh, the 1 hour demand. To be honest, when we created this high, right? When we created this high yesterday, right? And Asia's session, right? Came down. I mean, came down, went up, came down, and then we created this supply right here. Honestly, I was expecting that once we have a pullback, which we did right here, that we are going to continue down to break this low. That was what I was expecting. So, so when I woke up this morning, I came to the chart and I saw this. Looked at it 1 hour. I'm like, oh, you got to be freaking kidding me! Not again. Telling me we're still gonna be in this range. So I was really, 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 really surprised. So that was the bias that I have. But now I don't have that bias anymore. Right now I am bullish on this to come all the way back down here, and then I will look to buy it. Now, if we get back to that supply, I mean this resistance, then I will consider sales. Really. You said from yesterday that's going to be pro manipulation. Yeah. Yeah, London, there was nothing until late London. Late London, which is this drop right here. This is the one you took by, right? Because I saw you mark this high when I was asking. Yeah. Rejected that 15-minute supply we talked about during Asia session nicely. Did it twice. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one I took. I'm good. The one I took? Yeah, it did this morning. This morning. I was asleep. I didn't even see it. Mhm. You took the sales, make some money off the sale pre New York. All right. Nice, Nicholas. If this current 15-minute candle can break this high right here, I just need it to close above it. If it does close above it, now looking on the 5, we do have a resistance here previous, right? We broke it on the 5. On the 3, we broke it on the 3 as well. Now, if the 15-minute can close above it, then you see this 3-minute demand here, I will be willing to use this 3-minute demand because now we will have, just call this the 5, but this is the 3-minute demand. Because now you have a high being taken out on the 3-minute, the 5-minute, and also the 15 minute. So I'll wait to see how this candle closes. So right now, this is going to be our new 1 hour minor range low here. Did you guys already watch the recording from the previous webinar? Ah, man, look at how they tricked the sellers. Full blown tricks. Well, RIP to the sellers. Oh well. See how we react to this resistance. Mm-mm. Where are we reacting to now? Mm-mm-mm. Reacting to the 30-minute supply. Seller, they're still holding gold, will buy gold. Short squeeze. Be a good sell from there if it holds. Yeah, we're reacting to the 30-minute supply now. I prefer that resistance. Mm. Is the music playing on Zoom? Even remember. Okay, it is. Sorry, YouTube. And play music on there. Hello from Ethiopia. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, it's the 30 minute supply. Uh, this one right here. Yeah, yep, that one. Supply right there. That's the one we are currently reacting to. Not interested in that one though. That's why I don't have it drawn. More interested in that resistance. But it could still hold. That's why I have the line there. I do believe I explained the main reason why I would rather possibly sell from that resistance. It's pretty much simple. This high did not complete its mission. Its mission was to break and close strongly, be at least below the low that pretty much created it. And once it created this low, created a lower high, came down, did not complete its mission. Now, since it did not complete its mission, created a low instead, and now we pushed up, I'd rather wait for it to get back up to the same high, and then I'll look to sell it from there. Range trading. That's what I am waiting for here. Oh, wait a minute. Do we have news? What the hell? You see how my voice just changed? Wait a minute. You see what? That's this kind of the way it freaking jumped. Yeah, we don't have any news. Nah, I don't trust this bearish move. Yeah, manipulation. I don't trust it. Mm-mm. I don't trust it. Dex said I'm not trading today. I don't blame you, Dex. We may not see a decent move until Monday. See, we got bank holiday on Monday. But I think I will trade Asia session on Monday. But definitely not New York. Yeah, Dex, I don't blame you. Yeah, Monday is U.S. Bank Holiday. It's MLK Day, Martin Luther King. If you really look at this from the left, because the moment when we created this high on Monday, we were barely able to break it here. And then once we created this high here on Wednesday, we couldn't break it. And then we pretty much came all the way down. It's just that we've been able to break these lows. Just look at all these rejections at the lows, and we cannot break highs either. Now we've created a lower high in the middle of the range. That's why I was expecting that we were going to break this low yesterday during Asia session. I was expecting to wake up and we'll be trading below 45.76 this morning. Oh well. Damn. Okay, there is something going on. Like this candle is not normal. What? That's financial juice saying Trump must have said something. What? Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, I know that. What it dropped. Um, so Trump said two things. Officials don't talk much. Asset is good at talking. Pretty much 2 minutes ago, and that was when this freaking candle started dropping. And then he also said, damn it. Uh, he also said, come on, man. I can't see the second thing he said. He said two things. Damn, Trump, you could have just waited for this thing to get back up to that resistance. Damn it. All right. Man. Uh, oh, well now, I don't know about this buys anymore. This candle is scary. It's one scary candle. No. No, I'm not scared. I'm just saying, like, just look at this candle, man. I don't know if he's still talking, but he definitely said two things, and freaking gold is like, okay, I'm dropping now. It's on financial juice. Damn it. It was just how many ticks away from that resistance? Like 20 ticks away from that resistance. I would have freaking sold this. Yeah. It didn't it didn't close above this, so it's not a bad setup actually, but I just expected it to get back up to the origin of the move since this low could not break this high. I mean, this high could not break this low on the higher time frame. That's what I expected it to do. We probably would have done that, but Trump just had to say something. Yeah. I mean, win analysis though, we were right. He sold from the high. He just didn't get to the zone we were looking at. Mm, So, I man, hey, even though we didn't take this, I'll still take the win because we were right. If you if you're trading and you make your analysis and the market does the exact same thing you predicted, you should pat yourself on the shoulder. You're doing something. You should pat yourself in the shoulder. Hey, I don't g- I don't care. I'm gonna boost myself up. I did good. I said that high we're gonna fall from the highs and we're falling. Sheesh. You cannot tell me something didn't happen with this candle. Like, this is the most volume we've had this week. Just look at this freaking candle. Ah, sheesh. If only we just go to that resistance, man. Sheesh. We'll be out 2 to 1 completely right now. Damn. Uh, all right. It is what it is. Retail traders are losing it, man. I know, right? Man, now you got a BOS right here. This is a good BOS, especially because of the volume that this candle has right now. And man, cannot say gold is still on the higher time frame is still bullish, of course. But on the lower time frame, man, we just close below a strong support here. We just closed below a very, very strong support here on the 15 and also the 30-minute time frame. Now, if you want to buy this, If you want to buy this, do not jump in right away. Even if you jump in right away, you could get lucky and this continues in your direction. But for me personally, if we react to this 30-minute demand right here, look for this, and then I'll buy, which I don't think that's going to happen today, except if this volume that we have continues. Oh man. Before this candle dropped, I don't know if you guys saw me doing this. I was trying to calculate, was this after or before? I can't remember. But I remember I was trying to calculate how many ticks. I'm like, this actually looks, it does not look bad. But I want that resistance. It has to get back up to that resistance. Mm. Like it has to get back to that resistance in order for it to drop. Might go through the gap it made in the beginning of the week. Possibly. I don't think we might get a gap fill today though. Maybe Monday. But we got holiday on Monday, so man. Anyways, that is my trading week, guys. So very, very, very good week. I will see you guys on Tuesday, YouTube, because we got bank holiday here on Monday. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday, NY session, Zoom. See you guys tomorrow for our weekly webinar. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Don't feel bad about this sale that we did not take. It just didn't get to the zone that we were looking at. Our sale analysis was right, but we just didn't get to the zone that we were looking at. So that's that. God bless. I'm out. Peace. You're welcome, guys.
Abake again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true, forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know if you sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just betray your own spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you.
How many times I go forgive you?
How How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it live?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
You must love man.
70 times 70.
Love it,
Baba K